Hello everyone, welcome to Maneuver. So in this video we are going to see the question from compound interest. So first try to do this question by your own. After that see my explanation. Okay. So the question says a sum of rupees 7500 amounts to rupees 14,700 in 8 years at a certain rate percent per annum. Okay. Interest compounded yearly. What will be the compound interest on a sum of 9550 in 4 years at the same rate of interest? Okay, so here it is asking about compound interest. Now I can say this is nothing but your principal and this is nothing but your amount. Means I can say there is some principal, on that you are applying some compound interest, and in 8 year this principal making itself 14700. Okay, so this is what the basic phenomena of compound interest says. Now I can say here it is given ki certain rate of interest, means you don't have to take tension about what the rate of interest. Okay, now here it is asking about compound interest on sum. Sum means what? This you can say this is nothing but your principal in 4 year. So here you have to find the compound interest in 4 year. So first of all we are going to see the ratio between principal and amount in 8 year. After that we'll find the ratio in 4 year. Okay, and then we can calculate this easily. Let's see how. So first of all, you all people know about this formula, this primitive formula. I can say कि 1 plus r upon 100 n is equal to nothing but your amount. I can say this is. So if you want to find the ratio, so I can say I'm just putting the value. So let's see, 7500 1 plus, that is nothing but r. You don't have to worry about this r, and is nothing but 8. So I can say amount will be what? 14700. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to find the ratio. So I can say 1 plus r upon 100, and this will be what? 8. So I can write 14700 upon this 7500. So this will get cancelled, and if you will deduct it, you will get 49. 349s are 147, and this is nothing but 25. Okay, so the ratio in 8 year is equal to 49 by 25. So this is the ratio of principal. This will be your principal and this will be your amount. In what? In 8 year. But here you have to find the compound interest in duration of 4 years. So first of all you have to find the ratio of principal and this is what your amount in duration of 4 years. So how will you find this? So I can write 1 plus r upon 100, and I will write 8 as 4 into 2. Okay, and I can write 49 by 25. Okay, hope till now it is clear. I can write this 8 as 4 into 2. So I will take a square root on both sides. Okay, so basically what I am doing 1 plus r upon 100 and 4 into 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, so square root is nothing but into 1 by 2 in the power. Okay, means I can say ki root 2, you can write 2 to the power 1 by 2. This is what I am doing here, and here also you have to take a square root. So I am just writing in the form of square root only. Okay, so if you will reduct it, so this will give you 7 by 5, and that is nothing but the ratio 1 plus r upon 100 in the time duration of 4 years. Okay, so hope you are clear. This is the ratio, this is what your principal, and this is what your amount. So what will be your compound interest? Means the difference between amount and principal is nothing but the compound interest. So I can say कि compound interest will be nothing but 2 unit. है ना? I can say. And here principal is what? 5 unit. Is it correct? So I can say now you have to find the compound interest on this principal. So here principal is 5 units. So I can say this 5 unit will correspond to 9550. 1 unit will correspond to 9550 by 5. So I can reduct it. So it will give 1910. Okay. So now what you have to find? You have to find this 2 unit. Okay. Because this 2 unit is nothing but your compound interest. So you will multiply this 2 unit into 1910, and that is nothing but your 3820. Okay. So this is your option number 3. Hope you are getting it. First of all, you have to find the ratio of 4 year, because here it is asking about 4 year, and after that you have to just compare this unit to this and you will get the compound interest. Okay. So hope you are clear. This was one of the important question from your syllabus. Okay guys, so if you like the discussion, please hit the like button, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Please make sure that you are sharing this lecture with the needy one. So bye bye, take care, have a good day.